Okay, adding doors and windows to our continuing 2-point perspective drawing. I'm going to start by aligning my ruler with the corner of that middle building in the vanishing point. And I'm going to draw two lines about an inch apart. So that'll be like the top and bottom of my windows, and then I'm going to freehand those straight vertical lines to show the sides of the windows. I'm going to put 3 windows on this side of the building. So I'm using the guidelines I drew to the vanishing point for the top and bottom, and then I'm drawing straight vertical lines for the sides of the window and then erasing the guideline. Okay, I'm going to move down a little bit and repeat that process to make a second row of windows. So I'm matching up the middle line of that building to the vanishing point and then drawing 2 lines. And then this time I'm going to use the ruler to draw the sides of the window. It's whatever you're comfortable with. If you want to use your straight edge to draw the sides of the window, that's okay. If you want to freehand them, that's okay too. If you want to use a combination, that's fine. So I'm just kind of tracing over the lines that I want to keep to show the windows and then erasing the leftover guidelines. Let's put one more row of windows on this side of this building. And again, I'm lining up the middle of that building, that center line to the vanishing point. And then I'm trying to keep my windows like in straight rows. If you think about like an apartment building or something, the windows are kind of in rows. So I'm trying really hard to keep my windows in straight rows, vertical rows. Okay, so let's put a door. And of course the bottom of the door will be the sidewalk, and the top of the door is going to get connected to the vanishing point. And then I will draw 2 vertical lines to show the side of the door. And then I'm going to make it a double door and divide it down the middle. Okay, so those are the windows and the door on that side of that building. And so I'm working on the right hand side of the building and connecting to the right hand vanishing point. Let's say I want to put a window on the side of the building, the side of that next door building. You can see that. I'm going to line up to the vanishing point on the left and then go through the same process and draw a window kind of up high on that building. Okay. So if we want to work on the other side, I'm going to the other vanishing point and repeating the process. The horizontal lines all get connected to the vanishing point, and the vertical lines are just straight vertical lines in parallel. So I'm using my ruler again to like draw, I'm just going to put a stripe on this building. So on the right hand side of the building, it goes to the right hand vanishing point. Left hand side goes to the left hand vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to go back to that center building and add windows on the other side. That building's sitting on the corner. And this side of the building is a little bit smaller than the other side, so I'm only going to fit 2 windows, but I'm doing the same process. I'm just aligning my ruler to the vanishing point, drawing the top and bottom of the windows, and then drawing straight vertical lines to show the left and right side. So whatever you're doing, you've got to make sure you're using the vanishing point to draw the horizontal lines and keep all of your vertical lines straight and parallel to each other. So add doors and windows to every building in your drawing.